Welcome back everyone, Killer NC here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the JBL Synchros E40BT Bluetooth on-ear headphones. Let's go! Alright guys, so here they are, the Synchros E40BT Bluetooth headphones. One of the quick features is you can share music with other headphones, which is pretty cool if you have a buddy of yours and you guys want to jam to the same song. He doesn't need to have it. I will have links in the description if you're interested in getting the headphones. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Let me get my little opening knife. Okay, so here is what we have. They look gorgeous. Let's go ahead and comes with this little package attached to the box with some felt. So let's see exactly what's in there. All right, so first we have a pretty thick instruction manual. Let's put that to the side. And more warranty documents. And then we have the 3.5 cables. And then we have a USB to 3.5. Next we have yet another little book. Not sure exactly how hard these could be, but we'll put that to the side. And that's pretty much it for that box. Let's go ahead and take out the actual headphones. And it looks like they're tied down as well. Let's go ahead and be careful and get these out. Okay. Okay. All right, so put the headphones to the side. Let's see what else we have in this box. Oh, this is pretty cool. I think this is a carrying case. And yes, it is. It's a nice little carrying pouch. Go ahead and put it out of the box. There you go. And of course, these are the Coach version of the JBL. So it states, this is a Coach accessory. It was handcrafted from the finest materials. Its superior craftsmanship and attention to detail reflect our commitment to enduring quality. So a lot of headphone companies don't include a carrying pouch. This one does. So that's a bonus. Go ahead and put those to the side. And that's pretty much it in the box. So let's put this back together and take a look at the actual headphones. All right, so these are JBL's, the Synchros, and the Coach version. All right, that's where you get all these nice colors. All right, so some of the features that these Bluetooth headphones come with is, of course, they're Bluetooth enabled. They have the built-in Share Me technology, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video. It has a built-in USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It has an ear cup-based microphone with echo cancellation technology and the JBL signature sound with pure bass performance. And that cable that I mentioned with the USB, just so you know, you can use that also as the charger. And you're gonna need a brick, but that's how you're gonna go ahead and charge these as well. All right, you can charge them from your computer or from the wall. That's pretty much your choice. So that was a quick look at the JBL's Synchros E40BT. Like I said, I will have links in the description in case you guys want to check them out.